Hi guys, this is Bhupender Singh and you're watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. Today I am demonstrating you how you can connect the LoRa RA01 and RA02 with Arduino as well as how to test it. If you want to use LoRa SX1278, then we have already made a video on it and you can watch the video in my YouTube channel. Link is also available in the video description. Let's come back to the topic. This is the circuit diagram of the LoRa transmitter module where we use LoRa RA02 module with Arduino Uno as a transmitter side. Connect your LoRa RA02 module to Arduino as per this circuit diagram. If you are using LoRa RA01, then connection would be same for the LoRa RA02 and RA01. These boards can communicate up to 3 km depend on the preferred area. And this is a circuit diagram of LoRa RA02 with Arduino as for the receiver board. We have also used 20x4 alphanumeric LCD display at receiver side. If you don't have LCD, then don't panic. This code will work without LCD. You can see the data in Arduino serial monitor. This is LoRa RA02 module. We have designed a PCB and soldered LoRa module on it. So here we need two LoRa RF modules, as one for the transmitter and second one for the receiver. And these are LoRa RA01 modules. We also do the testing for LoRa RA01 module. This is the customized Atmega 328 board specially designed to test the LoRa RF. This board is compatible with Atmel Aviary Studio and Arduino IDE. In this video, we use Arduino IDE. This customized board is designed by Nutty Engineer Company. You can also contact us for your customization. Now I am connecting the LoRa RA02 module to my customized board. Both of the boards are ready for the programming. But before that, go to the video description and download the LoRa library. Once downloaded, go to the download location. Here you got the library folder with name SME LoRa lib. Extract it. You will get the extracted folder. Inside this folder, you will get these files. So copy this folder and go to the location where you install the Arduino software. Inside it, you will get the libraries folder. Now go inside this library folder and paste the LoRa library here. If your Arduino software don't have SPI library, then you can also download it from the video description and follow the same process as we do for installation of the LoRa library. Now download the programming codes. So go to the video description and click on the given link to download the program. This link will redirect you to my GitHub repository. Here click on the code button and click on the download zip. Once downloaded, go to the download location. Extract this folder. Now go inside this folder. You will get two folders with the name SME LoRa RX and SME LoRa TX. SME LoRa TX is the program for the LoRa transmitter side and SME LoRa RX is the program for the receiver side. So open the folder with name SME LoRa TX and you will get the Arduino file inside it. Open it with Arduino IDE software. So this is the program for LoRa board that is acting as a transmitter. Top of the program, we include the SPI library and LoRa library. Here we define the SS pin to 10, RST pin to 9 and DIO0 to 2 number pin of Arduino Uno. Here we take counter 0 as an integer type to send the counter data to the receiver side. In the setup function, we begin the serial port at 9600 baud rate. Once we start the serial, we print the message LoRa sender tested by SME Dehradun serially. We set up the LoRa pins by LoRa.setPins command. If LoRa board is not connected properly with the Arduino board, then we print starting LoRa field. Otherwise, we set the sync word and then print the message LoRa initializing OK serially. Inside the loop function, we serially print the counter value. After it, we begin the LoRa packet followed by the string packet, and then we end the LoRa packet. We increase the counter value every second. So this is the complete program. So now connect your transmitter board to the computer's USB port and upload the program. Open the serial monitor, and as you can see, we have got the message LoRa initialization OK in the serial monitor, and LoRa packets are displaying in the serial monitor with the increment of counter value every second. Now open the receiver program. So go to the download location and open the program. Here we have used 20x4 LCD. So we include the liquid crystal library, then SPI and LoRa library. We define the LCD pins. After it, we define the SS, RST and DIO 0 pins of LoRa module. Here is no requirements for the counter variable, so you can delete it. Now in the setup function, we begin the serial at 9600 baud rate. After it, we initialize the LCD. Now we set the LoRa pins. If the LoRa module is not connected properly with the Arduino, then it will show error message, otherwise print the LoRa is OK message. Here we store the packet size of the data packet received from the transmitter board. If we receive the complete packet, then we print the message packet received. Once data available, then we store the complete data string to the LoRa data variable using the LoRa.readString command, and print the received string to the LCD and serial monitor. At last, we display the received signal strength indicator value, means RSSI value. Now time to upload the program to the receiver board. I am not connecting the LCD at the receiver side, so I will see the data in the serial monitor. As you can see, we have got the message LoRa initializing OK. That means our receiver board is ready to receive. I am connecting the transmitter board to the laptop USB port for the power. As you can see, we are getting the counter value with RSSI, and it also shows the good strength of the signal here. Now I am connecting the LoRa RA01 module to my customized board for the testing. Let's open the serial monitor of the receiver side. Again, I am connecting the power to the transmitter board. As you can see, we are getting the proper data from the receiver board. So guys, this is how you can interface LoRa RA01 and LoRa RA02 with the Arduino. So thanks for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and share our channel and videos. Stay tuned for more.